Mauling to death by a tiger is not a cause of mortal wounding you would expect to consider in 18th century England. But that is precisely the fate that befell the unfortunate barmaid Hannah Twynnoy on the 23rd of October 1703. Twynnoy, 33, was working at the White Lion pub, ironically, in the centre of Malmesbury in Wiltshire when the attack took place. She was said to have been warned against aggravating the beast, but curiosity got the better of her and it attacked. A plaque at the local Athelstan Museum read, "To the memory of Hannah Twynnoy. She was a servant of the White Lion Inn, where there was an exhibition of wild beasts, and among the very rest a fierce tiger, which she imprudently took pleasure in teasing, notwithstanding the repeated remonstrance of its keeper. One day, whilst amusing herself with this dangerous diversion, the enraged animal, by an extraordinary effort, drew out the staple, sprang towards the unhappy girl, caught hold of her gown and tore her to pieces. She is buried in a plot at Malmesbury Abbey churchyard, close to where Athelstan, the Anglo-Saxon first king of England, was once buried, before he was disinterred to avoid Norman desecration. Mystery surrounds who paid for the expensive plot and gravestone, which features a jaunty poem. The verse read, "In bloom of life she snatched from hence, she had not room to make defence, for tiger fierce took life away, and here she lies in a bed of clay until the resurrection day." Poems on gravestones were fairly popular at the turn of the 18th century, but were generally reserved for the wealthy and celebrated, so a mystery benefactor likely paid for the memorial. The death is also recorded in the Malmesbury Parish Register, which simply says, "Hannah Twynnoy, killed by tiger at Ye White Lion." Her extended family also presents something of an enigma as, other than her burial, parish registers and bishops' transcripts for Malmesbury contain no entry between 1635 and 1700 for anyone named Twynnoy. Despite this, her name lives on, and in 1993 a new residential road in Malmesbury was named Twynnoy Close. A decade later, in 2003, on the 300th anniversary of her death, a ceremony was carried out at the grave with every schoolgirl in the town younger than 11 and named Hannah placing a flower on her grave. In a rather dubious claim to fame, Twynnoy is believed to have been the first person to have been killed by a tiger in Britain. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And thanks for watching.